Alright, so in this diagram, you've got line ST, line ray KA, and ray AL, and ray AT, and ray AS, and it says up there AL bisects angle KAT. So find the value of X. So down below here, I've given you some information. First off, you want to look up here. You may not use it, or you may or may not use it, but it says AL bisects angle KAT. Well, what that means, here's AL, and it is cutting in half KAT, which means this angle and this angle are equal. Okay? So since those two angles are equal, it's possible that anything here can be set equal to anything here. Okay? That may or may not be the case. Let's look at what we have. Okay, so we look at this and it says angle SAK equals 6x. And there probably should be a little measure of angle SAK is equal to 6x. So, right here we've got 6x. And then the measure of angle KAT is 90 minus x. So that's this angle here, the whole thing. And those, based on the information given, are not equal to each other. But one thing we do notice is when added together, they make a straight line. So 6x plus 90 minus x is a linear pair, which means they add up to 180 degrees. So since they add up to 180 degrees, or a straight line, we can just set up our equation in that way. So 6x plus 90 minus x equals 180 degrees. Simplifying this, now it's just an algebra problem. 6x minus x is 5x plus 90 equals 180. Subtract the 90. And so 5x equals 90. Then you divide by 5 on both sides. And so x is equal to 18, I do believe. Okay. Now, we're not only finding x, we could actually take that 18 and plug it back in and find out what the other angles are. So given the fact that KAT, let me use a different color, the fact that KAT is 90 minus x, you could take 90 minus 18 and end up with 72. Or you could take 6 times 18, and what do we got there? 8, let's see, 108. So you also have 108 that you could use. So 108 degrees, so you can actually use the x for something. It's not just finding x or finding the value of x. You could actually find the angles inside that problem. But in your text, x is all they're looking for, so there you have found it. Thanks a lot for listening. Hope it helps.